So what advice would you give for people who has challenges sleeping?
Okay, so number one, I know a lot of patients juga have problems sleeping. I use the 4-3-2-1 rule.
Okay.
Yeah. So no food 4 hours prior sleeping.
Okay.
No heavy drinks like milk. A lot of patient drinks milk before tidur, which is not a good. Apa tu?
Practice
Yeah, a
tidur.
good practice.
Okay.
So like no drinks like boba lah, apalah semua 3 hours before sleep. Tak boleh. 2 hours before sleep, avoid watching screens. 1 hour before sleep, avoid reading. So a lot of patients baca dan tidur, right? But actually, yeah, so other studies have shown that reading and then going to sleep too is not going to rest the mind, but rather make it
More active.
more active. Yeah.
So your quality of sleep will be affected.
Yeah. I always also tell to my patients,